Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Compose.live. They're looking for a content editor. It pays up to $50,000 a year. This role is a fully remote position. Only applicants from the US and Canada will be considered. Interested applicants must submit both a resume and a cover letter outlining your interest in the role and complete a brief qualifying grammar assessment. Job overview. Compose.live is on the hunt for a top-notch editor who loves digital content as much as we do to join our growing editorial department. Compose.live's editorial department is a small but fierce team of professional editors who collaborate with our online community, a globally dispersed group of freelance writers and editors, to craft finely written, SEO-driven content marketing writing projects for our clients, including WebMD, Constant Contact, MailChimp, Calendly, and more. This is a great opportunity to become a critical member of a growing startup and contribute directly to the company's success. We're looking for a professional editor who's an AP-style expert, well-versed in copy editing and developmental content editing, and committed to delivering clear, constructive, and actionable feedback. Writing is at the core of Compose.live's product, and our growing editorial team provides cross-departmental support. Our content editors aren't just writers with good instincts. You'll be working on a range of projects including editing and proofreading web content, developing brand-specific style guides, cross-referencing creative briefs, and providing ongoing editorial feedback, training, and support for our broader freelance community. We're not just looking for a clock-in, clock-out employee, but for someone excited by the prospect of rolling up your sleeves and getting to work with a highly collaborative team at a fast-growing startup. We're looking for a partner, a teammate, and someone who will work with us to ensure we're delivering high-quality content on time. Every time. This role is for you if you are a flexible, experienced editor who loves collaborating with writers and other editors to tackle a wide array of topics for a range of clients across industry niches, possess extraordinary interpersonal and communication skills, can deliver clear, constructive criticism and actionable critique, understand content marketing and SEO principles, are detail-oriented and take pride in your work, know the difference between editing and rewriting, love good writing and always keep the reader front of mind, take initiative and are solution-oriented, know when collaboration is necessary and when independent work should suffice, have strong organizational and time management skills, are excited by the hands-on, collaborative nature of working with a startup, bring a positive, even-tempered attitude and don't buckle under pressure. Responsibilities. This position is full-time and working hours are Monday through Friday during regular U.S. business hours. Occasional evening hours may be necessary to accommodate business meetings and other time zones. Editing, proofing, editing, and reworking blog articles, white papers, web copy, and more across industries, with a special focus in editing projects by new writers in need of additional training. In addition to hands-on copy and content editing, our in-house editors perform a variety of functions that require editorial expertise but aren't necessarily editing, including training and performance review, auditing writer and editor work to ensure quality and consistency, providing individualized performance improvement feedback and guidance to writers and editors specializing in a wide range of industries, supporting the community management team responding to project-specific queries from freelance writers and editors, which requires unique problem solving to provide second opinions and actionable next steps and solution, supporting the recruiting editor in evaluating new freelance candidates, product quality monitoring, evaluating revision requests, client concerns and negative feedback trends, performing in-house reviews, regularly, proactively monitoring projects delivered to clients to identify trends and training, alignment opportunities, supporting the client success team in identifying trends or opportunities to build out client-specific resources or documentation. Requirements: 3+ years of editorial experience, proficiency in written English, expertise in AP style, successful completion of our grammar, spelling, and editing assessments, bachelor's degree or higher. What would make you stand out? 5+ years of editorial experience, a degree in English, linguistics, journalism, or other relevant fields, previous experience working in-house in an editorial capacity, background in SEO and content marketing, familiarity with freelance writing and editing work. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.